Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Canvas account using your phone number. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Canvas account using your phone number, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in canva.com and make a search. The official page of Canvas account will appear on the screen. You can log into your Canvas account using your Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, email or mobile number as well. Now to log into your Canvas account using your mobile number, click on Login with Mobile option. Enter your phone number and tap on Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter a verification code sent to your phone number, and that's how you'll be able to log into your Canvas account using phone number quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.